Alrighty, it is the morning of the event. I got the chance to take the compact out last night, and all I'm gonna say is this thing's gonna absolutely shred today. Everything I did with the rear end absolutely changes the feel of the car. It's way more predictable, way easier to drive, and overall, I think it's just gonna lead to a better driving experience overall. The compact's also rocking a little bit of a different look now. I ended up being able to get rid of the amber corner lights because my buddy Cameron actually recently picked up an E36, and he ended up accidentally buying sedan corner lights for his coupe. So he just ended up giving me his clear ones, and then I just ended up throwing some nightshade over them. So now the entire front end is black. And then along with that, I also smoked out the side marker lights. So the only amber that's really on the car now is on the tail lights. But anyways, I still have a little bit of packing to do, so I'm gonna get the car all loaded up, and then I'll see you guys over at Spear Peaks.
Alrighty, so track's been hot for a little bit now. The track's looking really patchy, so I was trying to wait it out, but it doesn't seem like it's drying out as fast as I would like. So we're just gonna send it out. One thing that I want to try and dial in this event is my front grip levels, because I've noticed in the past that the car really likes to grip up in the front. So I have the shocks set pretty stiff in the front, up to my tire pressure. They're sitting at like 40 PSI, and that way I'm hoping I can get a little bit of slip out of the front end. That way I can try and throw some crazy entries and not feel like the car just wants to hook around the front. I'll tell you what, I'm pretty fucking nervous though, but I'm excited. It also probably doesn't help that I didn't eat this morning. There was supposed to be a food truck here, but food truck is not here. So we're gonna have to go take a lunch break and go to the gas station at some point today. Oh, track's looking dry now. You ready?
Oh yeah, bud.
Best driving, I think. That was fucking insane.
You fucking turned up, bro.
Holy shit. That last entry, we were almost like backy, I swear to God. That felt insane.
You were going so fast on those entries, I was like, damn.
I've never gone that fast on an entry. I never click third on entries and like stay in it. That was fun, dude.
That was awesome.
Holy shit. I don't know if I was that close to going backwards, but it felt crazy.
Bro, I wasn't even like able to pay attention to what was going on. I was just like fucking vibing.
The food truck is here. I'm not gonna starve today. Alright, so get this. I got a peanut butter crunch dog. It's got Fritos, bacon, peanut butter, and sriracha sauce. And we got a front row seat to the track. My hunger is satiated. I feel great now. But now we gotta wait for the car to warm back up because it was sitting for a while. I was out with Christian for like half an hour when I was trying to teach him. I'm not a good teacher. I don't know how much of that footage I'm gonna use, or even if I'm gonna use the footage. But yeah, we were out there for a while, and then we spent like 30 minutes in line to go get those dogs. That dog was really good though. I never knew that peanut butter could be so good on a hot dog. My body's gonna hate me later though. Man, I already feel that hot dog hitting. Feel it down low, down deep. Oh no. Unfortunate. That was a nice entry though. That felt good. Yeah. Too spicy. Woo-wee, mama. Yes, sirree, Bob. God damn. I feel good. I feel good. Very good. Ever since doing the bushings in the rear, I just have so much more confidence in the car because it feels 10 times more predictable than it did before. Like I could do whatever I want with the car, put it where I want, and I know exactly, almost exactly where the rear end is gonna end up. And it's great. Feels planted, feels stable, and feels solid as a mofo. I think I just want to go straight back in line. I was just about to go out, but I just remembered I haven't been driving with my gloves all goddamn day. All day! Stupid, stupid, stupid. I like my gloves. They make me feel like a race car driver. But really, I just drive shitty clapped out BMWs. It's nothing special, but these make me feel special. We are the champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting till the end. Boom, 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 boom. We are the champions. We are the champions.
send. I am on lap number 5, and maybe I shouldn't be, but that's okay. Just sitting third gear on that big ass sweeper, just left foot braking and milking the ever living shit out of it. Oh, that was so much fun. Okay, we're back. I know my tires are low, but I'm going back out. I have to. That is too much fun. Jeebus. Jeebus Cripus. Jiminy Crimmer. Holy mama mia. Pizzeria, big old pizza pie. Hey, that's a big pizza pie. Yes. Hi, buddy.
Hi, bud.
Did you see my last laps? I was out there for a while.
Yes, you were. I was surprised. Well, I saw you like just stop, and then you like went again, like kind of full Cindy.
Yeah, I took a cool down lap, and then I just kept going. My tires are so bald that I could just milk third gear like everywhere almost. I'm just sitting on the fucking sweeper, just left foot braking and milking the shit out of it. That was the most I've smoked all day, I think. It's great.
It's warm in here.
We might take one lap of just going around. I think I saw my oil light come on, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I feel like if I'm gonna hot lap it like that, I need an oil cooler or something.
Hell yeah.
Like I said, we'll just take a lap. I want to keep an eye and make sure my oil is actually oiling. We're gonna send it. flown yet, so I was just fucking around with it. I was like,
I didn't know. I thought it flew and the fucking tire went everywhere. So I was like, he's still on it. He just does not give a fuck.
in the back of my head, I was like, if it's on rim, it's on rim. I'm fucking sending it.
That was legit.
But I had a feeling that there was still tire there. That was good.
That was awesome. Right before it popped, like on that last sweeper, you were smoking. You were like, it's gonna blow, and like you kind of hear it, like fucking, and I was like, oh yeah.
That was fucking perfect. The timing couldn't have been any better.
Literally came like, had it been a second later.
That was fun.
Awesome.
That was a very good time. Oh, this side's good. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
You know, there's just something that hits different about like the post-drift event tiredness. The drive back from the track, it's like an hour, 15 minutes for me. And like the first part of the drive, like I'm wide awake. And like once the adrenaline wears off, I get so damn sleepy. But I've got to say, that was a really good drift event. I couldn't be happier with how this car drives with the new engine, the stupidly solid rear end now. It's just, the car feels like how I've always kind of wanted it to feel. It feels really balanced, just really solid, and it's just stupidly predictable. And I feel like this event, I really started to figure out grip balance between the front and the rear. I still would like to pull out a little bit of grip from the front, maybe put in a little more grip in the rear, but the car today felt probably as good as it ever has. I was able to come across some different little quirks with some current setups that I'm gonna have to address later, and we'll go over those in later videos. But overall, I'm just so happy with how today went. And I only went through one pair of tires, but I felt like I got like a decent amount of driving in. It was just overall a super fun day. But anyways, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.